Welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine with offices in New York City and Westchester. Today, my special guest is Karen Tenenbaum, a tax attorney in the firm of Tenenbaum Law PC in Melville, New York. Karen, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you so much for having me. This is wonderful.
So Karen, you're a tax attorney. Why do people need tax attorneys as opposed to just having an accountant?
So we're a boutique tax firm, and all we do is handle IRS and New York State tax problems. We help people resolve their tax problems. We have an attorney-client privilege that an accountant wouldn't have. I would say that the accountant knows somebody's financial situation, and we get a lot of referrals from accountants. And sometimes the accountant handles the sales tax audit or the residency audit initially on their own, but they're not always as successful. Can I say I'm a zealous advocate, and we know the rules, certainly with residency and sales tax, and we do a lot of offers in compromise and installment agreements, and we're friendly with the government, federal and state, and we know the right people to contact. So again, we're a boutique law firm. This is all we do.
And who's your client base?
So we represent small businesses and individuals. We represent a lot of restaurants, a lot of people who own small businesses, people who have more than one home, such as, that's why they have the residency issues. Again, the small businesses are being audited for sales tax. We represent a lot of professionals, doctors, lawyers, I always say Indian chiefs, dentists, because they're living high lifestyles, they're earning big bucks, and they don't always keep up with the estimated tax payments. So they could be making 6-7 figures a year, and all of a sudden they're behind because they didn't pay an estimated tax payment, and they might need an installment agreement. And every year that there's a new tax liability, they default on that agreement, or it's automatically defaulted, and so we have to renegotiate.
And Karen, who would be your best referral source? I know you mentioned accountants. Who else other than accountants?
So anyone who knows somebody's financial situation. So it could be an accountant, an attorney, a financial advisor, a banker, anyone doing any kind of transaction, certainly clients, people who, most people don't brag that they had a tax problem that got resolved, but people who have residency audits and live in Florida and play golf, they do brag. Oh my God, my attorney got me a great result. Everyone thinks the rules are 6 months and a day and you're done, but it's quite complicated and certainly more detailed than that. And so those clients refer to us. And we also get a lot of hits off our website. A lot of people Google us, I have a tax problem, and we get a lot of interest from individuals and from reporters. We get asked from different writers and journalists about how to deal with certain situations.
And that's the best segue to my next question. What's the best way in which somebody, a potential client or another professional, can contact you?
So you could always call me at 631-465-5000, or find me on the website, litaxattorney.com, or you could email me, Karen Tenenbaum, that's K, T as in Tom, E, N as in Nancy, E, N again, B as in boy, A-U, M as in Mary, at litaxattorney.com.
Perfect. Now, we have a new feature with 5 Minutes with Freed. Now, this is going to be the question of the week. This was sent in by our viewers, so here's the question. Karen, you're shipwrecked and you're on an island. Now you have all the food and water that you need. What 2 items would you bring with you to that island?
So I would definitely bring a great book to read and a journal to write in. And am I allowed to bring my husband or pictures of my family? Am I allowed to bring a person?
Sure.
I would bring my husband. He's a great guy. We're happily married for 37 years.
That's wonderful. Karen, you have said it all. You are the tax guru, and I want to thank you for spending 5 minutes with Freed. And certainly everybody go out there, contact Karen. If you have any type of tax issue, give her a call. Thank you again, Karen.
Thank you so much. I'm here as a resource if people need to contact me.
Thank you.